COVID-19 dashboard. This is group number 20 with participants as Aditi Bambori, Hardik Mehta, Dhanashree Revgade. We are presenting COVID-19 dashboard today. This is made in Python with the use of libraries Streamlit and Plotly. Streamlit library is used for interface and Plotly is used for visualization. This is the COVID-19 dashboard first graph, world map, in which the countries are shown, and if we play the graph, it is shown that COVID cases increased by number of by the countries, like first in China, then in other countries. This is the visualization. Now I will hand it over to Hardik.
Uh, okay, now we have actually distributed in country-wise distribution. We are basically here from select three countries. That is by default we have selected India. These are the total confirmed cases, total deaths, and total recovered cases. Which these are the in the bracket are the new cases. Which we have actually live updated data, and these are the daily the new cases that have arrived today. Now we can see the first graph, which shows a total number of new cases per date. If we like, you can have also zoom over this and we can see the number of cases on a particular date. Uh, Now we have the second graph. This graph is basically the confirmed deaths and recovered graph. Here we can see the rate of recovery, deaths and deaths by red are recovered by green and confirmed by black. Also we can here see for another country by selecting from the, if we search for like US. US. Okay, like here if we select US, we can say this loading again. Here this total confirmed cases, total deaths. Here we can see the loading of the plots. This is US graph of number of cases per day, and that's the comparison. Now Dhanashri will tell you about it more.
The next graph that we have is death count progress bar. So this is a progress bar type graph in which we are plotting the every time progress. So if we run the graph, we can see that on the left hand side, the bar will load and the process percentage of completion we can see, and the graph continuously plotting alongside. So this was just for death count. The next visualization that we have is of pie chart and bar chart. So we have a select bar in which we can select either pie chart or bar plot. Then in the pie chart, we have plotted two types of plots, that is total confirmed cases and total recovered cases. For this type of visualization, these both, we have used the top 5 countries with the maximum number of cases. So total confirmed cases were the maximum, as we can see, in US, then India, then Brazil, then Russia, and then Colombia. Then we have also plotted the total recovered cases. So we can see that the recovered cases are also in the pie chart. Then the next visualization we have is of bar chart. So if we change in the selection bar, we will see the bar chart for 3 parameters. Okay, so these are the top 5 countries that we have tried to show using all the 3 confirmed, recovered, and death parameters. So we can see that US has the highest number of confirmed cases, then India, and then Brazil, and so on. So for the next type of visualization table, I like to call Aditi.
This is the table in which 100 top countries are included. There were total 200, but we wished to include 100 countries. This data is taken by Johns Hopkins University, which is live data, in which confirmed cases, total death, and total recovered cases are included. Now I would like to call Dhanashree to continue.
So the contributions in our project were Aditi plotted the first graph, that was the globe, and the last one, that was the table. She also collected the data and cleaned it, and so that we could further use for the visualizations. Then Hardik plotted the next selection bar of the countries, the total confirmed, total death and recovered cases, the daily increase per country wise, and the COVID-19 cases, these graphs. The next visualizations of the death count progress bar and the bar chart, bar plot and pie chart type of visualizations were done by me, Dhanashri. Thank you.